Here at Evident, we've been building up the CRM component of our software to help you track interactions with your clients. To access the CRM component, you need to go to Cases and Customer File and navigate to the customer you'd like to make some notes on. In this case, Karen Larson. From there, you'll find the CRM component under the Time and Materials tab. What you can do here now is you can select the type of interaction that you've had with your customers. So if it's customer relationship management, you can put the amount of time that you've spent on it. You can add the user which actually added this note as well. From there, you put the date of the interaction, and you can add time as well. And from there, you add the note. So sending first case today. And then you click save. What we've also done is set a reminder status to help you follow up on, say, a first case like this. So if you tick the set reminder on this side, schedule it 30 minutes or 60 minutes before you want to make the call. You can select the type as reminder, put in the duration, say as 1 on this one. You can assign it to a particular user. And then you select the date in the future that you want to remind yourself. So if they're sending the first case today, you might want to follow up with them in 2 weeks' time to check on first case. And then click save. And Evident is going to use this as an email reminder to be sent to Mark via email. Now, the reason that we're adding them all through here, and you can select the type, is so that you can also pull this information to a report. So if you want to see what's been happening with the customer account, who's been interacting with your customers, what the last interaction was about, instead of having to go into the user file to pull it, you can go up here to the case reports, come down to the CRM report, and select customers, and use our filters on the left here to find out what's going on. So if you want to know what's been happening with Karen's account, say over the last month, you can select the dates here. You can come in here and type in Karen Larson. And then you can click search, and it pulls up all of my interactions with Karen over the last couple of weeks or however long you open it up for.